With every bite, I get a lovely pearly texture in my mouth. It's sweet and tasty. This is my pearl pudding. Let's add 500 grams of water in the mixing bowl to boil. Use kettle mould at 100 degrees Celsius. In the meanwhile, I have mixed purple sweet potato color with the reserved sago. Place this sago into the boiling water and boil 10 minutes, 100 degrees Celsius, reverse speed 1.5. Once done, pour into a prepared strainer with a deep bowl to collect the liquid. The sago should be translucent. In a clean mixing bowl, add 600 grams of milk, 90 grams of sugar, and 1.5 teaspoons of agar powder. Boil without MC for 8 minutes, 98 degrees Celsius at speed 1.5. Now let's add the reserved cooked sago. 1 tablespoon of rose essence and cook without MC 1 minute, 98 degrees Celsius, reverse speed 1.5. Now pour the mixture into silicone molds and grease glasses. Cool at room temperature for 30 minutes and chill in the fridge to serve later. Serve this sweet dish, less is more.